Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the best software to clean up RAM. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. This software both works on computer and laptops, so if you have any questions if it works on your laptop, I have a video right here which I will show you later in this video. So yeah, of course the link will be in the description to download this software, and this software is called CleanMem, as you can see right here, or in other words Clean Memory. Once you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to the website techspot.com, and once you're in this website, click the download now button, and the file size of it is only 3 megabytes, which is literally nothing. Once the .exe file has been downloaded, this is what you should see right here in your downloads folder. Double click to open it, the user account control will pop up, just click yes. And this is the setup right here. I will explain in a little bit why I have Task Manager in the right side right here. Right now I'm gonna guide you on how to download the software. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I have a reason to show you how to install the software. Click next. The software will only take 5 megabytes on your hard drive or SSD, which is literally weightless, and that's a good thing. After that, click next. And if you have multiple users on your computer and you want the software to be installed on every user, then select the second option. But if you have only one user and no other users, then select the first option right here. Click next, and after clicking next, it will start installing the software. But before I click that, the reason why I have Task Manager right here is that after the installation of this software finishes, the software will start cleaning up the RAM. I'm not sure why they programmed it like that, but I'm pretty sure it's like a first setup thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna do a live demonstration of it. I'm gonna click next, and the setup literally takes only 3 seconds to install, and you need to keep an eye on the memory tab and in the big graph right here, and you will see that the RAM usage will drop. It's not gonna drop a lot because I ran this software on my failed recordings, but before my recordings it was up around to 45%, and right now it's 37%. Once the installation finishes, it's gonna drop to around 32%, and you will see it right now. I'm gonna click next. And as you can see, the software already finished installing, and as you see, the RAM has dropped to 32%, and as you can see on the big graph, there's a slight drop. But on your computer or your laptop, the software may clean up to around 20 or 30% of your RAM. But do not worry if you see the RAM starting to rise again, it's because the services of what it was cleaned are starting up again. And that will take only around 1 or 2%. Right now, after you click finish, you may say, how do I access the software and change every how much time I want the software to clean my RAM? As you can see, there are no shortcuts. I'm not sure why there is not, but if you click on start and you see the recently added tab, you will see 3 software right here. All of those 3 software are from the software that we just installed, and if you do not see the recently added app, just head to search and type CleanMem and you will find it there. Now, before I head to the software, I'm gonna show you right now how to change the time of when you want the software to clean your RAM. So I'm gonna explain in a little bit what I mean by that, but head to search and type Task Scheduler, as you can see right here. Click that, and once the Task Scheduler has opened up, in the top left side, click the folder that says Task Scheduler Library, and here you will see lots of task scheduled options, but the one that we need to look for is going to be the Clean System Memory, and this one right here is from the software that we just installed. If you double click on top of it, it's gonna open the properties. Right now, in the top, head to where it says Triggers, the second tab, and here you will see 2 triggers. You need to double click to the first one that says Add Startup. It's going to lag a bit, don't worry. And here at the bottom to where it says Repeat Task every 15 minutes, the default one is 15 minutes, and next to it the default one is indefinitely. You can change the timing from as low as 5 minutes to as high as 1 hour. Unfortunately, that's the highest one that you can put, but I recommend you putting the option to at least 1 hour, because I'm not sure what the consequences would be if you put it to like 5 minutes. Maybe your computer would crash. That is very unlikely to happen, but you never know, that could very easily happen. So I would rather put it to 1 hour, and after you click OK, the software will start cleaning your RAM every hour. And yeah, you can change the task right here to when you want to start. The default one is at startup, and yeah, after that click OK, click again OK. The software will clean up your RAM again. Right now, as you can see, there will be a drop again in Task Manager, but do not worry, from 1 hour from now the software will clean up again your RAM. Right now, to access the software, search it or head to Start to find it, and click the one that says Clean MEM Mini Monitor, because in the bottom right corner you will see a little monitor tab with the memory usage. As you can see right here, memory used, memory total, and commit total. Now to enter the software settings, right click on top of it and click where it says monitor settings, and here a new window will pop up, and here you can basically change whatever you want. You can change the color of the little icon in the bottom right corner right here. You can even put a hotkey if you want to manually run the software. And here something good about this software is that if you go to advanced monitor, you will see the first one that says auto run clean mem. If you enable it, you can make the software run every how many minutes you want when the memory usage is above the certain percentage that you have put. So for example, if you let this setting default like that, every 5 minutes or so the software will check if your RAM is above 75% or not. If it is, the software will clean up your RAM, but if it is below 75%, the software will not do anything and will not do nothing. So yeah, you can basically change the time and when to run, at what percentage, and yeah, that's basically it. I don't have anything else to show you. You can even change the color of it. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna show you a demonstration of it or when I did it on my laptop, which is why I have the video right here. So I'm gonna show it right now. And yeah, as you saw, there was a massive drop on my laptop, around 20% or so. And yeah, that's everything it. That's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!